Kara. Now I'm just want to show you guys how I'm doing my wavy hair. So before I dry my hair, I'm using the living proof, so it will make your hair easier to style. I'm just like put it here just like a bit, like this much, and then I just like here, and then I just like and then dry. So this is like my hair look like after the dry. It's straight, and then prepare your straightener. Any straightener, it will like work out. And I'm using the Remington straightener. So what I'm gonna do first is I divided my hair into two, like this. Divided it down into two sections. Remember, you need to divide the section as thin as possible to make it like even curler. And then do the rest. So this is for like the left side, which is you need to curl it like that. How can I explain it? And for the right side, I usually make it the curl towards my face. Make it like this, and then curl it towards your face, like inside, like this. And if you're already done with the half of it, if you want to make it like stay longer, like this, I usually like this. You take it this, and put it like this. And just tuck it with your hair like this. Now you got the down done. Now let's do the upper one. And for finishing, just like brush it with your finger like this to make it even loose. And all set, it's done. So this is the end of the tutorial. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe.